Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming my morning routine. This is me at the end of the morning routine, so I don't wear makeup as you can tell. But yeah, this is me at the end. I've just finished filming it and I'm about to head out to go to work. So yeah, if you want to see my morning routine, how I go from looking like a slob to, I mean, I don't look great, but someone that looks a little bit better than a slob, then please carry on watching. So yeah, please hit the like button, please subscribe down below because honestly it means the most. And let's jump on into the video. Right, so I am now going downstairs. Right, so it's now about 8:05. I start work at 9 basically, but I live really close. First thing that I do is come downstairs and go to the toilet, and then I'm gonna have a shower. I usually have a shower in the morning. If I'm actually like washing my hair, I mean sometimes it changes, but usually if I'm washing my hair I do that in the evening. So I'm just gonna have a body shower and get fresh, so I'm gonna do that now. So when I'm in the shower, I actually just use this to clean my face, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do all of the stuff that I need to do in the bathroom, but I'm in my towel and it's difficult to hold, so I'm just going to go and get changed for work first. So let's go upstairs and choose an outfit for work. So yeah, I'm going to choose my outfit now and then I'll be changed, and I'm also going to put on some deodorant, obviously. Because otherwise, I'm gonna smell. Okay, so I'm now in my outfit. Work clothes. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm just wearing some black jeans. The first thing that I do is brush my teeth because it makes me feel so much better. Just use the Colgate. And now it's time for some Listerine. There's literally like nothing left, as you can see. This stuff literally burns my mouth. It's actually a joke. Like, it actually burns. It's so fresh. I thought I had toothpaste down my top then. I was like, no thanks. Okay, so now I'm going to do my hair. Usually I just brush it, if I'm not gonna lie. That's what I'm gonna do now. But at the moment, I've been taking this little tool and making sure that my hairline is even, because it makes me look like I've actually tried. Usually, sometimes my hair is like zigzags. I'm not even joking. It's so bad. I might actually straighten it today. I know it is straight, but I remember the back. I swear the back's curly. Oh no, it's fine. No one's gonna see me anyway. There's like 5 of us in the office and that's it. And now I'm gonna do my skincare, but I always use this in the shower when I wash my face, just as like an extra, you know, like cleaning part of my skincare. So yeah, I use this. This I've spoken about in so many videos. This is just L'Oreal cleanser. I'm not going to bore you with it because you've seen me do it before, but we're actually waiting for a delivery to come. I've ordered the big stuff of it all because I like it and I think it's starting to balance my skin out. So I'm waiting for that to come in the post, but it's bloody taking its time. Like, I'm not joking. I ordered it almost 2 weeks ago and it's not here yet. And then it says to use the hot cloth with it as well. But I always go into my kitchen and use the hot tap there because it gets hotter so much quicker than here. I'm done in the bathroom, I think. Yeah. 8:30, so it's 8:30. I'm at a pretty good place. So now I am going to make my bed, give my room a little bit of a clean, because if my mum sees that it's messy, she'll shout at me like she did yesterday. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a clean so it looks tidy, and then I'll put you on a time lapse. Okay, and then I'm sat down for this, I don't know why. I always take my pill in the morning, so that's what I'm doing now. And then what I do is I do my toner, and I use a cotton pad. Pop this onto a cotton pad and go over my whole face. And then I just use the little moisturiser. As I said, I'm waiting for the big versions of these in the post. Okay, so now I am going to go downstairs and sort out my lunch for the day. So let's go downstairs. So for lunch I usually have leftovers from the night before. So today I've got chicken and rice because last night my mum made a fake Nando's and it was so cute. And I'm eating healthy at the moment, I'm still going strong, and I usually just have like my main bit of food and then some fruit. So I've got some strawberries. And I always just cut them up, you know, into small little bits, get rid of the heads, green bit, you know what I mean. I just do this, literally, I've been doing this every single morning this week, just chopping up some strawberries and then I'm good to go. So I've got my tub, it's quite cute because it's red so it'll match the strawberries. Oh shit. Yeah, so that is my strawberries. And then at this point I will literally just put my lunch boxes and my water bottle into my bag. So I might take some salad cream to put on top of that chicken and rice, you know. I feel like that would be really nice. Yeah, why not? Because if I decide to have it cold, hot or cold, it'll be nice. Yeah, I'm taking that. We've got fridges at work, so I can, you know, put all of that in the fridge. Then I'll just put my shoes on, and then honestly at this point I'm good to go and I can leave the house. I am slightly early, don't know why, but I am slightly early, but that's everything. So guys, that is the end of the video. I just thought I'd do a little morning routine. This has been on my list of videos to do for quite a long time now, so I'm glad I've got it done and it will be up. I have got a nighttime routine on my channel if you do want to check that out. I'll link it if the eye bit will come up here, you can click that. So yeah, that is the end of the video guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. How many times do I want to say guys? So please subscribe to my channel, it will honestly mean the most. Every single share, comment I get. Even, I don't get a lot, like I know I don't, but every single one I really do appreciate. So if you are that one person that's commented on my videos, thank you so much. And yeah, anyway, goodbye.